Welcome back to my studio. I'm Yvette Mecca. Let's go. Okay, I think I've done enough investigating. I have enough room to open up this side. I love this stamp, so I'm not going to cut that off. We're going to save it. This is coming from the lovely and talented Miss Kayrn from Junk Journal Divas Facebook group on, oh yeah, Facebook. She is a very, very talented artist. And when I tell you, I've been waiting to get one of her creations, I've been waiting, literally. Now, the wait is over. What do you all see? You can tell me. Come on. Let's get this baby out of here. Ooh, I love polka dots. I've been just leaning towards polka dots and geometric shapes lately. See, I got some off to the side here. Oh, so pretty. Oh, and they sparkle. Check me out. I got me some sparkly polka dots. Get into it. Get into it. Thank you, Miss Kayrn. And I just said stripes, right? Or geometric shapes. And stripes are the other ones I've been getting into a lot more in some of my art. So let's see if we can hold on tight to this washi tape. Because you know you can't talk and do that at the same time, right? You can't breathe. You can't breathe. That's just not allowed. All right, let's go. Voila! We did it. That's some good old ASMR there, buddy. Look at here. Ooh, what do we have going on here? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is her art. Oh, I have this piece. This is awesome. Pablo Picasso. Yes, sir. Totally official. Look at all this layering. Learn the rules like a pro so you can break them like an artist. If that is not my famous line that I tell my kids, especially when it comes to art, you got to know the game before you can go out and break the rules. You got to know what you're doing first. This is awesome. This is pencil. Amazing. I love it. Oh man, can you see it? I love it. We have maps in the back. Look like leisure paper, possibly. That is so neat. Some fabric is down here. Outline with the gold pen. Well, I'll be darned. Oh, oh. I don't know if I'm supposed to. Is this part of? Oh, okay. This is a part of the. Oh my gosh, y'all. I thought that I was showing you someone else's information. This is a part of the collage. This writing here. Woo! Just created for you by Kayrn B. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, guys, can you get a good look there? I think this might be some painted paper. Book pages, some more leisure. So neat. Absolutely neat. Now, I don't cover the back of mine. I leave it blank, but I don't know. I'm kind of digging the collaging the back of it as well. This is stinking cute. Look at this. I used to have some of this yarn for crocheting scarves. My mom does this She loves this yarn. She loves it. It's light and airy. And those crochet scarves are just, they're it. Okay. All right. So that is it for this particular Happy Mail. Man, this is so nice. Now, let me show you the Happy Mail that I sent out earlier today, since I have one of the girls with me. This is nice. Thank you, Miss Karen. Oh, 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 I gotta give you some love. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Loving on you for loving on me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wait, there's more. So I was telling you about the Happy Meal. I sent out Happy Meal. Well, actually, it's going to go out tomorrow since my son decided he didn't want to go for me. Whatever. Yeah. So we have a few of these girls going out tomorrow. This is my girl in spring, seen and a blooming. All of them that are going out all have different sarcastic little snippets, little saying. Okay. And like I was saying, the back is plain, but I don't know, that collage business going on. And I love me a good collage, honey. You all go, get out of here, go be great and create. Enjoying my content? Well, come join our creative tribe. Subscribe, like, and share. I don't mind at all. Thank you.